guys. It's time for my favorite exercise. That's right, it's arm circles. These arm circles are not just for opening up your shoulders for mobility and agility, but actually for that inevitable moment when your arms catch on fire. Now, remember, smaller flame, smaller circles. Bigger flame, bigger circles. Nice. Now, we're gonna activate those goat legs while we're doing this, all right? And we're gonna add a little bit of a stomp. There it is, stomp. Fantastic, keep that going. See, you're gonna have to stomp out your arm when it falls off of your body because of the flames. Nobody else will. Always stay composed.
Beating the Burning Maze is proudly sponsored by The Burning Maze by Riordan.